guys, I'm here with Superbwigs once more today again, and this is a box. Nothing is written on it or anything like that. What I got in the box was an extra elastic band, a wig cap, and a hair scrunchie or a hair tie, whichever you wish to call it. This is the wig. This is the Vivian pre-made fake scalp body wave human hair 360 lace front wig. This, I believe this is 14 inches long, 150% in density, and as I said before, 360 wig, and it's a medium cap size. Always get my wigs in medium just to be safe. Also, it's pre-plucked, so that's really good. I don't have much work to do where that's concerned. And it's 360. It's like, oh my gosh, what? And I love getting a good fake scalp wig. It just appears even more natural. It's just always so bomb. Standard cap construction on the inside. You know, it got 4 combs right around, and it has these things here. So if you need to definitely use your extra elastic band, you can go ahead and, you know, attach it to that. It also has adjustable straps in it, so you can always go free. You can feel free to go ahead and put this in a ponytail, a little cute top knot do. It would be nice. For this today, I'm actually going out, so I'm going to be rocking this wig, that classic bob look with some nice waves, very sophisticated looking and just snatched.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
I was going to do a center part, side part, but it came with this perfectly done center part, so I said I'm gonna just leave it in it.
My love, I'm gone, I need to be strong. The darkness had tried to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity.
Okay guys, so that's how we're looking. I love it, and it's fake scalp, so I don't even have to pronounce the parting any more than it already is. Remember, this is a 360 wig, so don't be afraid to go ahead and put it up like in a little ponytail, even like that in the back with the little curls. Messy, really nice, really nice. And I know sometimes you guys love to do like the ponytails with the wigs, so really nice. So you could do that, but today I'm gonna let it down. So I'm going to actually do some one curls in it. I already have some gorgeous waves, but I'm just going to, like, you know, make it more pronounced.
So fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Guys, I am so in love with how this turned out. I love the cut, I love everything. It's like, you know, you're snatched but you're not doing too much. So I really love the bob vibe. It really kind of tones things down. It's so nice, like so nice. And I love the way the curls turned out. So nice. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. When I comb it down, it give it this wavy like look. So pretty. Yeah. Love this. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and check it out. Also, the direct link where you can go ahead and get it will be in the description box. When I catch up with me on my Vlogmas episode, see on my Vlogmas series, see how tonight turned out, go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. That's it for today. So just go and make up on a nice clean self, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.